Lightspeed is on our radar today. This is a point of sale payment technology company, and there's long been speculation about a potential sale. Stephanie Hughes of Bloomberg has more. What's the latest on Lightspeed?
Sure thing, Andy. So Lightspeed shares are up as much as 7.2% today, and that's building on the double-digit gains it saw yesterday after Reuters reported that the Montreal-based e-commerce firm would potentially review some strategic alternatives. The company did end up confirming those reports after the bell yesterday. So Lightspeed did lose some of that momentum as the trading day bore on, but it really is an interesting stock mover story this week. So let me catch viewers up to speed here. Yesterday, Reuters reported that Lightspeed was working with JP Morgan bankers, exploring a range of strategic alternatives, which could include a potential sale that may entice interest from private equity firms. And so that report alone sent the stock up over 13%, which was the company's biggest intraday gain since May. Lightspeed responded saying that it had engaged and will continue or may continue to engage in discussions exploring a range of strategic alternatives. Well, nothing is guaranteed here. Analysts have speculated that some legacy payments companies would kick the tires around a potential Lightspeed sale. It is an alternative asset for these companies, just given its accelerating growth profile and its complex hospitality segment there. So some of the names that they were speculating on include Clover, which is owned by Fiserv, WorldPay, Shift4 Payments, and a lot more. Shopify is another tech darling competitor, which might not be a likely match, according to Scotiabank analyst, given that Shopify already has seen success in its organic business and the customer base between itself and Lightspeed are quite different, actually. Another interesting detail here is that it might prompt Lightspeed to go private after months of speculation that it might go down that route. Back in spring, CEO Dax Da Silva mentioned that while he does still see the public markets as a great place for Lightspeed, he did not take that option off the table there, Andy.
We're very tight for time. What's the story with Canadian Energy Services?
Sure thing. Yeah, so those shares fell as much as 8% today, and it's falling into the bottom of the TSX worst performers list because basically this is based on the prospect of Libyan supplies returning to the market on top of Saudi Arabia boosting supply. So shaking up the supply-demand dynamic and putting a weight on the energy space there, Andy.
Thank you so much, Stephanie. Stephanie Hughes of Bloomberg.